Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team and this video is all about how you can automatically generate payment links in any payment gateway, and after generating these payment links how you can automatically collect payments from these links. So imagine that you are organizing an event and you have created this registration form for collecting paid registrations. Now you want that when someone submits this form, the payment link for the same should be automatically generated in Razorpay payment gateway, and the same link should be sent to the same person automatically on his WhatsApp so that he can directly pay from this link and you will be start getting paid faster. Yes, whenever the registration form is submitted, the payment link will be generated automatically in Razorpay and the same link will be sent on WhatsApp to the person, something like this, so that they can pay directly from here. So to create this kind of automation, I will be using an automation and integration software Pabbly Connect, and basically I am going to connect all these software with the help of this particular software. The interesting and special thing about this video is for sending WhatsApp messages, I am going to make use of WhatsApp Cloud API. So first I will be connecting my form builder software with Pabbly Connect, in which I have created my registration form. I have created my form in Pabbly form builder. You can create your form in any form builder software, maybe in Google form, Jot form, etc. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and connect both the software. Type Pabbly pabbly.com/connect and press enter. This is how you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now you need to create your free account in just 2 minutes from this particular button. I already have an account, that's why I'm directly signing in, and from here you need to click on access now of Pabbly Connect app. Okay. Now I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now you need to click on this blue button to create a workflow and give any random name to your workflow. So I am giving it a name as automate the payment collection with Razorpay and WhatsApp. Click on create, and once you will click on create, you will see two windows will appear. What are these two? Trigger. It is written trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let's understand it with an example. When a sale happens, send an email. When a form is submitted, share a file. According to our use case, when the form is submitted, create a payment link in Razorpay and then send it on WhatsApp. So this is why I will be choosing here my form builder, which is Pabbly form builder, in which I have created my registration form, and for trigger event I am going to choose a new form submission. Now you can see a webhook URL and some set of instructions are visible. What is written here? Log in to Pabbly Form Builder account and then click on the integration menu available at the left side in the dashboard. Okay. So I am going to log in my Pabbly Form Builder account. So I am clicking on access now to access this application, and let's say you have created your registration form in Google Forms or any other form builder. No problem, you just have to copy this copy this webhook URL and paste it into that particular software. Okay, so let me show you my form which I have created in advance for the event registration. This is the copy link. Let's open it in a new tab. And you can see the event registration form here, the event details are mentioned here, and all the required fields are mentioned here. Now I need to connect this form with my Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. So I need to copy this URL and paste it into this form, from where you need to click on this integration from this webhooks you can click on add webhooks, and here you can paste the same URL which we have copied from here. I am clicking on save, and you will be see that the webhook has been created here, which means Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect is now connected. Now all I have to do is to click on this recapture button and read what is written over here. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically I am going to submit this form and we'll see whether the details are getting captured in the Pabbly Connect or not from this particular form. So I have filled all the details, and you can see what is written over here: add WhatsApp number to receive the registration payment link on it. That is why I have submitted the WhatsApp number here, and I am clicking on submit. Now let's come back to Pabbly Connect and see whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response or not. Yes, you can see the details which I have mentioned, which I have filled out in my form, has been captured. Sonam Rai, the email is here, the number is here. Which means the first step of our integration, that is connecting the form builder with Pabbly Connect, is successful. Now we need to create payment link on the form submission in our Razorpay account. That is why we are going to connect Razorpay with Pabbly Connect as a second step. So here I am going to select Razorpay payment gateway as an application. Okay. And my action event will be create payment link. Okay. Create payment link. Yes, here it is. And now I will simply click on connect. It is asking for the access. You just have to click on add new connection and fill these details. From where you will get these details, the instructions are given here. Let me tell you, you will have to go to Razorpay dashboard and click on settings, and when you will click on settings, you will find this option API keys. From here you can actually generate your test key. Since I already have generated and I have saved it somewhere, I am going to directly paste it here. So I have added both the details, and clicking on save, you can see it is connected. You can see the Razorpay payment gateway is now connected. Now we need to fill all these fields one by one in order to create the payment link. The very first field is the amount. So basically the amount of my registration. So I want to create the payment link of 1000 rupees every time someone is submitting or someone is registering for my event. I want to collect it in INR, basically in the rupees. That is why I will add INR as currency. You can add your currency from this list and check which are the currency Razorpay supports. Type, keep it as link only. Description, payment link for the event registration. Name, the customer's name. So basically the person who is submitting the form. Who is submitting the form? This time Ashira is submitting the form. So I don't have to copy the customer email address and paste it here. Sorry, it is the name, not the email address. So I can directly actually map it from here, that because the data, the above data of form builder is now available here also, and this is called as mapping. What mapping is? Automatically mapping the above data from this drop down. And the best thing about it, you do not have to map it again and again on every form submission. This is how our automation is going to work. Like every time the new submission is arrived, these values will be changed, whatever we are mapping here. So basically whatever the values we are mapping, going to change every time. But whatever values we are adding manually, these are not going to change. Let's move further. The email address, we can also map the email address from here. Ashirai. Contact number, again customer has provided the contact number to us. Where it is? Here. I have added the contact number along with the country code 91. Why? I will tell you it later. Keep it as it is. The receipt number tagged to the payment link must be unique value for each payment link. So every payment link wants some kind of unique number, the receipt number. So if you will keep it blank, it will be generated automatically. If you want to assign it by yourself, you can add this, you can map this ticket ID. This is also a unique value. So basically a unique value must be assigned here. Reminder, keep it true. Expire. What does it mean? When the payment link will expire. So assume that my event is going to be happen on 28th June and it is 10th June today. So I want to expire the payment link before the one day of the registration. So basically I want to close the registration on 26th June. That is why I will be adding the date of 26th June, but they want it in timestamp format. We cannot write 26th June directly here. So I will open this link in a new tab. and you just have to mention the date and time here. So I am mentioning 26th June here, one day before the event date. I'm keeping the time as it is, and when you click on convert, you will get the same date in timestamp format, and the normal format is given here. Okay, so I'll copy it and paste it here. Now keep these fields blank. If you want to fill according to your choice, you can do it. Since these are not mandatory, I have kept them as it is. Callback URL. Once the customer completes the payment, where you would like to redirect him. So I would like to redirect the person to my website. That's why I am adding this particular URL. Again, you can keep it blank. The format I have given is not actually correct. You need to give this value also. Okay, yeah, this is the correct link. Keep callback method as it is. Now click on save and send test request, and I am expecting the response positive. Yes, the response is received, and that means the payment link has been created. Let's check where exactly it is. Here it is. You can see short URL. This is the payment link which has got generated automatically when we have submitted the form with the help of our automation. Okay, very nice, very nice. So our second step is also completed now that we have connected Razorpay with Pabbly Connect and created a link. Now the third and the last step is sending these payment links on WhatsApp to the customer automatically. For that, I need to create WhatsApp Cloud API. I need to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Now I will be selecting WhatsApp Cloud API since we want to send messages with the help of this, and an action event, I'll click on send template message. So template messages are basically the normal messages only, and to initiate a conversation on WhatsApp with the customers, it is always recommended to send template messages first, not the direct messages as per the WhatsApp guidelines. So I am clicking on connect, clicking on add new connection, and I need these values, the token, phone number, ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So I need to log into the WhatsApp Cloud API account, and then I will get these details. So you need to type developers.facebook.com in your browser and press enter. Let me correct the URL. Okay, and press enter, and you will reach to the Metaphor developer website. From here, you need to create your own account. I already have an account, that's why I have logged in directly. So the process of account creation in WhatsApp Cloud API is first you need to sign up, and then after signing up, you need to create an app, generate a permanent token. Once you will do these two steps, that means your account is set up. So I have already created app and generated permanent token. So in this video, I am not going to teach you this. I will add the link of the separate videos on which it has been already taught. Please check this video once and then come back to here and continue with the automation. So as I have just mentioned, you need to create app, so you can do it from this green button and follow the instructions given in the separate video which I have attached in the description box. These are the apps which I have created in my account already. I will be clicking on this My Connect message app. And from left side, you need to click on WhatsApp and getting started, and here you will get all three details which we wanted here. So this is the token, copy it and paste it in the Pabbly Connect for building up the connection. This is the phone number ID, again copy it and paste it in the Pabbly Connect WhatsApp business account ID. And the last thing, sorry, I have pasted it at wrong place. Okay, and the last thing is the WhatsApp business account ID. From here you can find it, copy it and paste it here. The instruction for the same are also given here. In case you have any doubt, click on save and you will see that it will be connected. Now here I would like to tell you one more thing. You can read it. Temporary access token is written here, and this token will expire in 23 hours. So basically I'm creating this connection just for the video purpose. That's why I am using temporary access token. But when you will be sending the messages to your customers, you will definitely require a permanent token, for which I have attached a video that how you can generate a permanent token in this Metaphor developers, basically in the WhatsApp Cloud API account. Okay, let's come back back to the Pabbly Connect and fill all these fields. So Pabbly Connect is now connected with WhatsApp Cloud API. That is why whatever the templates are available in the WhatsApp Cloud API account are visible here. Let me show you. So here from left side you need to click on WhatsApp and then getting started, and from here, from this section, you can read it. To create your own message template, click here. You need to click on this blue hyperlink here, and you can see these are the several templates of my account which I have created. So let me show you one interesting thing. Whenever you want to send a message to your customer, you need to first create a message template and then get it approved via Facebook. Then only you can start sending the messages. So these are all the templates of my account which are actually approved, you can see. And if you would like to create a message template, you can create from this particular button. And for the process of template creation, you can again check the video which is given in the description box. So you can choose any relevant category, give any random name to your template, choose a language of your own. Let's say I'm selecting the English, click on continue, and the main body text, the message can be composed right from here. And in case you want to attach any header, you can add it from here. And the interesting and special thing about the header is you can add text as well as media also. And in media you can add image, you can add video, and the document, any PDF document also, and you can attach in your message like here. And your message will look like, hello Sonam, thank you for shopping with us. And you can see whatever I am typing, whatever I am composing is actually visible here. So you can create your message like that. You can attach the document, the video, the image. You can also attach footer if you want, and even a call to action button can be added like this. You can see here it is actually selected phone number. Let's visit website. Okay, you can see this is how the template can be created. I am cancelling it and let me show you my template which I am going to use in this video for sending the messages. So this is my template. Payment request for 500 rupees from Pabbly. Hello Akash, thank you for filling out the form. To complete your registration, you can directly pay from this link, and this is the link. So the name of my template is payment link. Let's come back to Pabbly Connect and find out the same template. Keep the language code as it is, template ID as it is, recipient mobile number to whom we would like to send the message. So basically I want to send the message to the person who is submitting the form. So I will map that number here and read it here. Enter the recipient name with the country code without plus sign. So basically WhatsApp Cloud API wants the number in this particular format. That is why while creating my event registration form, I have made sure to mention on my form it is compulsory to provide a country code along with the phone number. I have even given an example here, and you can see the number which we have received is with 91. Now header field 1, body field 1, body field 2. What are these? Let me show you my template. So whatever the values we want to change on every form submission, we have kept them in curly braces and given a sequential number. We call these values as variables, a value which will vary. So name will vary, the payment link vary. However, in our case, the amount is not going to vary, but it will still work. So header 1 is basically the amount field. Come back to Pabbly Connect and map the amount from here. So in our case, the amount was this. Body field 1 is the name of the customer. So we will map the name from here, space. Body field 2 is actually the payment link which we can map not from this, but from here, from the Razorpay section. What is the short? Where is the short URL which we have received from this Razorpay response? Where it is? Here it is, short URL. So I have filled all the details, and now when I will be clicking on save and send test request, I will expect a message, a WhatsApp message on my number along with this payment link. So let's click on save and send request and see whether we are receiving any message on WhatsApp. Yes, you can see the response has been received and a message has also arrived on my number. Let's read the message. Payment request of INR 1000 from Pabbly. Hello Sonam Rai. Thank you for filling out the form. To complete your registration, you can directly pay from this link, and this is the link from which your customer can pay easily. Okay, and click on OK to make this link clickable. Thank you, regards. So have you seen that our automation is working absolutely perfect, and all the three applications are now successfully integrated. Now, whenever someone is going to fill this Pabbly form builder, the link will be automatically generated in Razorpay, and the message will be sent automatically. You don't actually require this Razorpay now. It will work in backend. WhatsApp Cloud API will work in backend, and even Pabbly Connect will work in the backend. All you have to do is to share this form with the people who are interested in event, and once they will fill the form, message will be sent automatically. So this is how you can create several kind of automations using Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is to integrate your applications in which you want the automation. And in case you have any kind of doubt, kindly mention it in our comment box, and you can reach out to us at admin@pabbly.com. Thank you.